From your dashboard, head over to the coupon section. You can add a new coupon. Give your coupon a title. In this case, I'll be calling it a Mother's Day promotion. Give your discount a description. You can select from 3 different types of discounts. A percentage discount, which reduces a total percentage of the spend. A fixed cart discount, which reduces a fixed amount of the total cart. So for example, you can get $10 off your total spend. Or you can add in a fixed product discount, so get $5 off every cupcake. In this case, we're going to select a percentage discount, and we're going to discount it by 10%. You can restrict people from accessing the discount if you like as well, and you can create a usage limit. So this is the amount of times the discount can be used. So I'm going to set it to say 100. That means a total of 100 people can use it. And you can amend this as you go as well. We're going to set an expiration date so we don't have to come back and delete it out of the system just in case we forget. So I'm going to set that for the 26th. And you would want to exclude other sale items so it doesn't interfere with your profits as well. You can add in a minimum amount spent. So say you have to spend $50 for the discount to be active. Over here, you can select certain products if you want to include them. So you can select that and that, or in this case, you can select all products. You can exclude certain products as well by simply searching for them. I would highly recommend showing the discount on your store, so check that box and simply create the coupon. Once you have done that, you'll get a summary of all the information, so that's your code, your percentage amount, all the products included, the amount of times it can be used, and the expiration date. If you head over to your store, here's your store over here, and your discount will appear on your store.